welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to unbox my Ruggable rug and I'm so excited about it. Yeah, if this is the first time of checking on my channel, hello and welcome. Make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get instant notifications each time I share a new video. So this one is my old rug. It is the Lara Date rug and it's really popular. A lot of people love this design and I absolutely love the design as well. That's why I got it. So this is moving to my dining area because I literally have no other space for this rug, just to revamp that area. And I will be replacing this this whole space with the Ruggable rug. This is how the rug looks on the floor. How beautiful is this? So this is the Toy Story rug. It's the latest one that they've got. This part right here, I still need to press it down a few more times for it to grip to the carpet, but other than that it looks really good. Now we can like sit down on the carpet, watch some movies, do some like home learning and just anything really, like even like lie down here and have a snooze. It looks so good. It's nice and soft. It's just a nice regular carpet. Yeah, and it's washable, which is really good. What better way to give you guys this review than to sit on the rug itself. Now this is a gorgeous rug. I like the design. It has this kind of like tied ropes design that is really nice. This is one of the latest collection at Ruggable because this is the Toy Story one. It was released in line with the Lightyear movie. I love the simple design. You can use this rug in your kids' bedroom, in your living room, dining room, like anywhere really. Playroom as well. I don't have a playroom. My living room is literally my children's playroom, so I thought I should kind of like make it look better for the children, and this is great. So if you have babies, you can get this rug and it will revamp the look of your space. The things that I love about Ruggable is that all of their rugs are washable, so you can easily remove this rug and pop it in the washing machine and give it a good wash. I love that about it. You can wash it. It's durable, it's easy to set up, and it's easy to take out as well, easy to wash, easy to clean. So that's really good because most times the rugs that we get from the popular brands or anywhere, they are rugs that cannot be washed, so you have to buy like some products that can just give you like a rub and shine kind of cleaning. But this one, you can literally take it out, put it in the washing machine and wash it. And my first impressions of the material, so the material is like this, like it's a flat material. It's flat and quite soft. It's not hard, it's not harsh, but it's nice and soft and plain. It is lightweight, so this is something that I know that it can actually fit into my washing machine. So they've got different kinds of rugs at Ruggable. They've got like the runners, the foot mats. This rug comes in different sizes. I took one of the biggest sizes because I know that this space, I wanted to kind of cover this space a whole lot more than I did before with my old rug. So yes, I'm really happy with how this whole space looks. What do you think about your new rug?
Amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
What else?
Like I can on it.
Gymnastics. Yes, that's a good idea. Milan, how about you?
Yeah, get to play on it.
Play on it, yeah.
Play.
So I'm happy that you guys actually like it. So this is your rug. So this is like your special item in this house.
And my favourite thing to do on it is play hopscotch.
Can you show us how to play it?
Okay, so you go like this, and then you go like this. That's the one I was doing it.
That's the one Milan was doing earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good one as well. So yeah, are you guys going to promise me that you're going to maintain it? No stains?
We promise.
No stains? Yeah?
No promise.
But the good thing about this rug is we can actually wash it.
Wash it easily.
And it's stain resistant, it's durable, so it's really nice for you guys play area, which is the living room.
Yeah. See how much I can twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are you dizzy now? Do not fall down. Whoa, Madam Flexible. My little gymnast. Are you okay, Mil?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Nice. Wow, Nina, you're really good at handstands
I'm
now.
going to try and catch you and you can only give us circles. No, I'm behind you. Oh no.
So this is the great thing about Ruggable, you know, the kids will love playing on it, which
I
is
just
fantastic.
you around. Let's do the best thing what we did last time when I sit down. So you got to be sitting and then I run around and when I sit on you, you roar and then I start running away. You don't go up. Okay, now I have to
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video has been very useful to you. Please do not forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly and I would love to have you join the family. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.